something like this. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the market is crazy. They should have filled my order. Come on. Push up. Excuse me, guys. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today this is another live recorded session of me trading the Emini S&P 500 futures, guys. I'm a price action trader, so I use a certain strategy, a particular strategy I use each and every day to profit from this market that I trade. And I post my videos to this to my channel, to the channel here that you guys watch or tune into each day. First time viewing, thank you for watching one of today's videos. Hopefully, if you're a beginner, or it doesn't really matter what level of trading that you're in, I mean, or maybe a certain strategy that you're using doesn't work. So I trade the same strategy. I've been trading the strategy for years, and I've been profitable. I've got tons of videos on the channel, so take some time to go back and view some of the videos. For all those who've already subbed to the channel and been following it each day, thank you for doing so. I appreciate it. If you haven't turned on your post notifications, please make sure to do so. Make sure you got your post notifications turned on so that you never miss one of the uploads. If it's your first time watching one of the videos, continue watching. Hopefully you'll learn some tips, because I basically show you and give you a breakdown of each one of my trades. I discuss my trades in detail. You'll see me execute the trade, as well as I'll tell you why I actually placed that trade. So I basically use a retracement or pullback strategy to key areas or key levels, and particularly it all starts with me looking at my higher time frame, which is my 60 range chart, to see if we are in an area of supply or demand. So yes, I'm a supply demand style trader, but I don't take it off the higher time frame. I wait for the rejection, then I scale down to my lower time frame. So stay tuned, look at and watch today's video, and maybe you'll pick up on my style of trading. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. So I always like to start off by taking a look at the 60 range chart to kind of see what we've price action looks like. And as you can see, we've been making lower lows and lower highs. I've been saying that the last few days. So would I just strictly be taking short entries? Not 100%, because price could actually move lower and pull and move it to a demand area, and then at that point, then I'm interested to see if we're going to get a rejection off of that area. Yesterday, if you see it, we kind of just traded into the prior day session. So we traded within the prior day session price action movement. So right now, we did overnight break higher. We broke yesterday's high. So we are making structure to the upside. What does that mean? Making structure, breaking structure to the upside. Price pushing up, pulling back, pushing higher, pulling back, pushing higher, pulling back. So basically making higher highs and higher lows, okay? And right now we've got it pulled back to this area down here at the bottom. I'm trying to see. Yeah, so basically, let's see, particularly price is, yeah, moved back down here to the bottom. So yeah, we could have, or might have already missed kind of that move there. So let's get to looking at our lower time frame to see with the market. Okay, so there it is, the red line right there, I marked there, breaking structure to the upside. Price a little volatile right now. I'm looking at the market a little late today. It's 10:20 right now. Just kind of starting off looking at my charts here. So yeah, I would like to see price come a little, well, it may bounce here. I'm not saying it will, but we're so close to the V-pop that I don't want to do anything. So I better just kind of wait it out. Yeah, gonna wait it out. Maybe price could, actually bounce in this area here, but I would be interested in seeing price come back down here and checking this area here. But let's see. Yeah. Trying to see something here. 09. Yeah. I'm not sure. All right. Long. It's not the best to trade, to be honest with you. So I'm just noticing something here. So let me be careful of taking this trade here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I noticed this here. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So I just kind of chickened out there because we were so close to the VPOC. So it's okay. We got plenty of opportunities in the market. Just pick up a quick 6 ticks right there. Nothing much. All right. I saw the rejection right here, and I knew price probably have a potential to actually move back up to this area here, but it's all right. There's plenty of opportunities to trade. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens. I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe trying to push lower here. Yep, looks like maybe. So basically, that trade there. Price pushed up, pulled back, making a little higher high here, pulling back. That was a retracement trade to this area right here. I should have stayed into it and taken it back to the upside, but it's okay. So I just kind of chicken out there. Try to, you know, gather your nerves when you're trading to eliminate the chicken trading. All right. Kind of writing some notes, guys. I take notes while I trade, so I'm not sure if you guys do that or not, but that's what I do. Um, yeah. Let's see what the market is doing here. Yeah, price is moving lower. Dip down here. Maybe we'll get a bounce of this area here. We'll see. Hmm. Okay, so the market is broke to the downside here. I need to see this. We made a okay. Let me see what the market's going to try to do here. Um, I marked that red line there. Let's see. Uh, okay, yeah. All right, let's see. Just trying to pay attention here to see what. There it goes. Okay. I'm taking a quick little scalp here. Come on. Okay, quick little scalp. Just back up to the little high right here. Just scalping, guys. That's all I'm doing. Okay, bounce right off that red line that I told you I marked off of the this purple line out of the way, off my 60 range chart. So basically back down to the low of this swing right here, pretty much. Okay, a lot of buying came out of that area. Um, so yeah, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Let's see what the market's going to do here. Coming back down there, test those lows right there. Okay, stand down here. Yeah, looks like the market's trying to, let's see. Yeah. Let me see that purple line. I'm gonna take a, well, let's see what the market is trying to do here. Like it's trying to push lower though. Let's see. So the market opened up somewhere, I guess in this area right around here. So we've been making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. All right, so but we are hitting in an area of demand right now. So that's why price bounced when it got down pretty much to this area right here. It bounced and basically just retraced back. Now it's pushing lower. So, but be careful because we are in an area. If you see here on the 60 range chart down here, where price could actually has a chance of rejecting, moving out of that area. Okay. All right. Yeah, that was a nice move to the downside. I didn't get into the retracement. So yeah, right here on the pullback, this could have been. Let's see, could have been an entry to go long. I mean, excuse me, short right here, and price moved to the downside. So I didn't get into that, guys. Um, have to be careful on trades like that. But it did. It pulled back basically. Price made a low here, it pulled back, and then to this area here, rejected it, high volume area, and then it pushed lower. So, but it's okay. There's plenty of opportunities that will always take place in the market. Let's see what happens here. What the market is trying to do. Mm, mm. Yeah. Still pushing lower, huh? The market's just chopping to the downside right now, so we got to be careful not to make any, bad choices here. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Uh, we'll wait and see what the market's gonna do. Just down. All right. Taking a quick stab for a long here. Come on. Ah. Yeah, I didn't want to see that happen that way. Let's see, maybe come back up here. Should come back up here. Come on. Market is just need to cover this trade and get out of it. Let me cover this trade, guys, and get out of it. There we go. All right. I know it'll come back up to this area right here. Trying to be careful at the same time. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, it was just pulling back. That's what it does. That's what it does. Trying to scare you. They're trying to fake you out of trade. But it's okay. Yep. Should have stayed into it. Ah, another chicken trade. It's all right. How it is sometimes. Going long here. Come on, look at that. Taking a quick little long, just scalping, guys. Come on. Go up. This market is relentless. Moving sideways, price action is crazy. Push up. My God. It's crazy. There we go. I'm taking out. I'm getting out of this mess. Oh my gracious. Look at this crazy, crazy price action. Gosh. It's going to go back up here, watch. It's just moving sideways. Ah. Yeah. That's what my nerves today. All right. I'm just going to wait because it's just going sideways right now. Don't like the way prices, what it's doing right now, so I'm going to hold down. Look at it. So there it is. See, I knew it would come up here. Flopping sideways. Okay. Tag on it. It pays to hold out sometimes, guys. But it's all right. Don't catch them all, right? I'm long. Okay. Nice little long there. All right. Take it back up to this area right here. All right. So that trade there. All right. So we have this area price pushed down. It broke here, made a low, pulled back, and then it made a lower low here. Okay. So I waited for price to break back into this area, and then I went for the pullback. So this purple line here is basically I want price to stay above that area there. So it pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, pulled back, and then I went long to take it back up to back into this area right here. But be careful because this is an area where price could reject from. And you see it bouncing right now, so be careful. And yeah, I'm going short. I am going short. Hopefully I can get filled here. Shit. Come on. Come on. I need price to stay below this purple line here. It's not wanting to do that. Come on. Man, what the world? Okay. All right. Gracious. All right. So, gosh, I'm up 40 ticks right now, but this market has got me on edge today. Okay. I don't like trading this way. The market's just kind of moving. Um, it's not doing too much since I've gotten in, so I'm taking trades that are a little bit more risky. Yeah, just gotta know, be on your P's and Q's when trading. All right. Okay, so just gotta pay attention to your 60 range chart as well. Um, why did I go short in that entry there? Okay. Um, well, price would trace back to this area right here. Okay. I knew you see this area right here where the price pushed down, pulled back, and swung lower. Price pulled back. This is retracement, okay? And the market's still making lower lows and lower highs. So, short selling is probably the better opportunity. So that's what I did on this trade here. I went short, but I wanted to see price had to stay below 41.90 for me to take that entry. So it pulled back to the area, okay? All right. When it broke below the purple line. So it pushed down, pull back, broke below. On the pullback, I want to see price. It has to stay below 41.90 and a half. Should say that, okay? And it did that, okay? So when it did that, that's when you can go short. Now it did kind of teeter around here, but eventually it made its mind up and went short. I mean, it moved lower, testing the low again here where the red line was, which is the low of this area here. So that's why I went short in that trade. That's another retracement pullback trade. That's what I do, guys. I do not take breakouts. I don't like breakout trades. I look for price to make it move. Is make its movement. Pulling back to an area retracement, breaking structure. On this case here, back to the downside. Then on the pullback, I go long. I mean, it's gonna go short. All right, prices. Okay. Talking probably. Yeah, I missed a little trade. It's okay. I was talking, running my mouth, running my mouth. All right. Um, let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Uh, yeah, it's moving higher. I was looking for it to pull back, but yeah, yeah. The answer you could have went long right here. When price pulled back here, closed that green candle, went long. Um, Yeah, a little long right here, to be honest with you. Price is probably going to move higher here. I'm gonna go for a little scalp here, back to the upside here. Come on, test the hot. Look at it. Come on. It's gonna pull lower now. Gracious, come on, don't do that. Move up, take me out. Let me get. I'm gonna scalp. Scalping here now, guys. Okay. Yeah, it's probably gonna come up here and test this area here, 92.25, but it's gotta clear this area here first. And once it breaks up into this right here, this area right here, breaks above, pulls back, you go long. You don't want to see price come back and break below 89. Look at it, shit. It moved up there. Sorry about that, guys. 92.25. So it's all right. I know I didn't pick up much on that trade there, but up 46 ticks right now. Okay. It's all good. Let's see what price is going to do in this area here again. It's back to this area right here. Oh, look at the move. Look at the move. Look at the move. Wow, rejected it and slammed right down to the downside. Okay. Damn. Yeah, price was slamming to the downside. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Price broke lower. Okay. Um, Man. Yeah, it's breaking lower below that purple line, so yeah. Yeah, the market's once again came up here, hit this we tested this area and it's pushing lower. Okay. Uh let's see what happens right here in this area here. Because we could let me see. Not sure if it's gonna try to push lower. Let's bounce off this red line that I have marked. Okay. Huh. I'm long. There we go. There we go. Okay, back to this area right here. Price can't push lower, so let me see what's going to happen here. I mean, it's push higher. I'm sorry. Yeah, there it goes. Should have stayed in that trade. I knew it was going to do that. It's okay. Knew it was going to do that. It's all right. Bouncing off of. This is a pullback. Retracement back to this area right here. Okay, there was a level sitting right here. Demand sitting right here. Off the 12 range. Price had a movement to the downside, pull back, push lower, pivoted, turn back around, bounced off of this area down here I showed you, off the 60 range, pushes higher. A lot of buying came out of this area on the movement up, and then it returns back to this area. You can look for you get the rejection, you go long. as long as price stays above the 41.85 area. Okay, and that's what it did. So let's see here. Long. I'm scalping this thing now because I know it's going to probably come up here and test this 94.5 area. At least I hope it does. Nah, don't do that. Okay. Do something like this. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the market is crazy. Shit, they should have filled my order. Come on. Push up. Excuse me, guys. Got my. There we go. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I had a phone call that came in. All right. So we pushed higher. We broke back into this level here, this area here, this swing area. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Mm, let's see. 99. Okay. I'm not sure. Let's see. What I'm just going to try to do. I'm just scalping. Shit. It can push a little lower here. I know it can. Come on. This is what you call scalping, guys. There we go. Scalping. Okay. I know it would reject this area right here, come back and test this area. It's just a matter of knowing where to get in at, okay? And it bounced there and I went long. Okay, just scalping real quick. All right, it's picking up ticks left and right. So that's you know, it's bouncing off this little level right here. We had some selling come out of this area, so price traced back to it. So right here's a little. You got a bunch of clusters of high volume areas right here. There's a little high volume area followed by a little swing right here where some selling came out of. So, you know, you gotta be mindful of that. I'll move this red line up here. Take a look. Price is rejecting, staying above this area right here. So, and that's what we want to see. Yeah, that's what you want to see. It still has not. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if it's quite done yet. Pushing higher. Yeah, there we go. I know we're going to test this area here at 4202, so that's why I went long again. It pushed up here, pulled back. This swing right here, you want to see price stay above that red line, which is this area right here from when price moved lower, pull back and push lower. Price came down, turned back around, broke back into it. You want to see price stay above, you know, what I call the mouth or the open end of that swing right there. Pulls back to a swing right here. You can see on the full range, rejects it, go long, take it back up to 4202. All right, simple as that. Okay. So not too shabby today. Let's see, 46, 86 ticks right now. 86 ticks, so not too shabby. Price is still moving higher, so Broke back into this big swing right here, like I mentioned. 4204. Yeah. So let's see what happens here. Boom, 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 boom. It can keep pushing higher here, so looks like it wants to keep pushing to the upside here. Hmm, not sure. Hmm. Hmm. Back to the VPOC now, so it's bouncing there. Um, hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I like to see price maybe pull back to this. I don't want to see it right below the purple line here, pretty much. Maybe pull back a little lower here, but we'll see. It made a high here, broke, pull back, made a higher high, pull back, rejection. You can go long for a little long here to go back up to the VPOC, but we're at the swing high now, so I am not going to do anything here. Take a look here. Let me look at the 60 range chart. Um, hmm, okay. Price, there's an area sitting right here that price could pull up to or retrace back to right here around somewhere between 27 and, well, I'm not somewhere in this area here, but that's on a higher time frame. So I'm going to look over my 12 range now, kind of just get an idea. Mm, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. We got the V-pot right below us, so we have to be very careful here. We had a area of some swing highs here, area of resistance. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm not really sure here. Let's see. Yeah, come back down to the VPOC. Yeah, I'm not going to trade around this area here. It's just too risky. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out, guys. I appreciate everyone tuning in. If your first time watching, hopefully we can gain you as a subscriber here on the channel. And that's gonna do it. So if you're trading, please be safe in the market. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.